My name is David Burdett. I'm a productivity specialist for Morris South. I cover the Georgia territory and support our customers there. So a productivity specialist, my job is to make our customers' machines efficient as possible. So that can be anything from tooling, work holding, service support, or even engineering. So Morris South is part of the Morris Group. We're a machine tool distributor based in Connecticut. Our primary lines are Akuma and Tsugami, but we're also proud to represent this select line. So that's Soraluthe, Geminis, Momentum, and some big type machines. Our customers in Georgia are huge users of Lyndex-Nikken. We sell milling chucks, we sell rotary tables, angle heads, just about anything in the Lyndex-Nikken product line. So our customers in Georgia, they're a very big fan of Lyndex-Nikken products. We have everything out there from the SK holders to the milling chucks, rotary tables, angle heads, just about anything in the Lyndex-Nikken product line. So a big reason we recommend the SK holders is not just the rigidity, the flexibility. You know, we recommend them everywhere from job shops to high-end aerospace shops. They're really just an extremely versatile tool. We recommend the milling chucks in a lot of facilities, that high-end gripping force, the rigidity, that's really what separates that tool, and our customers are very impressed with the results of this. So our customers in Georgia, they use a lot of Lyndex-Nikken rotary tables, and I know there's a lot of competition in that market, but we recommend Lyndex-Nikken over the others just due to the rigidity, the durability, the reliability. It's interfaces very easily with our brand of machine tools, and our customers have no complaints from install to production. So Lyndex-Nikken has a very wide range of products that support a vast variety of our customers, but not only do they offer premium solutions, they really go above and beyond on the customer support side of things. That's one thing that just makes my life so much easier, is when things aren't going perfectly, Lyndex-Nikken immediately steps in and does what's right to make the customer whole again.